Hello guys, how you guys doing? It's your boy David B. Guys, I am back with another one for you guys. I'm back with a banger for you guys. And guys, it's your boy David B. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are in the world, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the content that I bring to you guys, and I want you guys to do me a favor. It won't take you any subscription, it won't take you money, it's just free. Just do it free for me, because it encourages me to do more of these videos, more of this analysis for you guys. The only thing I want you to do for me is I want you to just subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification icon, so that anytime I post a video like this, YouTube will always notify you, and then give my video a thumbs up, guys. So now I want you to sit tight, enjoy yourself as you watch me dissect US30 for the new week. But before we go on, guys, I posted a video on NAS100 telling you guys that let me go to NAS100, telling you guys that NAS100 was going to sell, and I gave you guys the coordinates, and I told you guys that yes, I'm very sure that NAS100 was going to sell, and I told you guys that NAS100 was going to sell around there. And then guys, this week stocked me out. I took that trade on NAS100, a sell trade on NAS100, and guys, this particular week stocked me out, and then now NAS100 is going to push into the downside after rejecting this week, after rejecting that area. So that's the update on NAS100. So now that's by the way. So now we'll be moving forward, guys. This week is going to be a better week for us. We're going to be we're going to be taking it strong, and we're going to be taking trades, more accurate trades in the new week. So now I noticed something, that on NAS100 that I broke my rules and regulations. I told myself that I wasn't going to be on the sell side on US30, S&P500 and NAS100, but I decided to sell NAS100, and it stopped me out. It hit my stop loss. So now let's dive into the juicy trade I have for you guys today, and that is US30. So now we do is go to the monthly time frame, guys. We check the overall direction on the monthly time frame, and we can see that US30 is always pushing to the upside. Guys, there's a reason why I always like, anytime I do my analysis, I always like doing it from the monthly time frame, so that as a swing trader, I love it that when you watch my video, I want you to always learn how to do top-down analysis, because the bigger time frame holds what happened in the smaller time frame. The bigger time frame is the controller of what happens in the smaller time frame. Now we can see that the overall direction of US30 on the monthly time frame is bullish. So now we scale down to the weekly time frame to also see what is happening, and to also see if we can mark any levels on the weekly time frame. So now this is the weekly time frame, and we can clearly see that the weekly, we can't really mark any structure on the weekly time frame, but we can see that also the weekly time frame is bullish. So now let's go to the daily time frame and see if we can see a structure. Yes, the daily time frame, yes, we can mark a structure around there. Yep. We can see that price pushed higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, and price is ready to push back for a higher high. But before then, let's mark our highs and our lows of the daily time frame. Yep, we have this low, and we have our high, our recent high. This is our recent high. Okay, this is our recent high, and this is our recent low. Right, this is our recent high, and this is our recent low. So now what I want to show you guys on US30, I want to show you guys that US30 is going to buy. That what is just happening inside of here is just a temporary retracement, guys. I don't always like selling US30, because I feel that the overall trend is bullish, so I should always be on a bullish trend. Like, I should always be buying. That is why I don't really love selling US30, S&P500 and NAS100. Remember, guys, I tried selling NAS100 like a couple of times, and guys, it stopped me out twice and hit my break even once. So since then I knew that, and when I went out to my rules and regulation book, I knew that, guys, that I've broken my rules and regulation by trying to sell NAS100. So now let's right here we can see that price inside of here is just in between the weekly highs and the daily highs and the daily low. That's tell you that price has not changed direction. Before we can be looking for a sell is if price will come and break below here. If price is going to come and break below here, then yep, we'll be looking for sales. But as far as price still stays inside of here, we're going to be looking for bullish opportunities. Okay, so right now I'm going to apply my counter trend line to the current retracement. I'm going to apply my counter trend line to the current retracement, or you can call it higher low, or you can call it retracement, or you can call it correction. Anyhow you want to call it. And I'm also going to apply my levels that if price break that level, I know that yes, price is ready for a buy, and that is this level. Now you can see there you have it. There you have it. So there you have it on US30 that guys, I'm looking for a buy. If I can just get a 4-hour close above this level, there you have it. I'm ready to buy US30, guys. I'm ready to buy US30. So I'm currently looking for buy opportunities on US30. I'm not looking for sell opportunities. On the 4 hours time frame, it looks weird and confusing. That is why if you go to the lower time frames and you cannot really understand what is happening on the lower time frames, my brother, scale up to the higher time frames, because the higher time frames are so clear that you will know what is happening. Like now, the 4 hours time frame is looking as if price is inside of a consolidation. But if you go to the daily time frame, the daily time frame is telling you that price is just creating what they call a higher low. Price is just creating what we call a retracement, and then we have marked our levels that yes, if price breaks our counter trend line and break our level, remember we use 2 confirmations for entry: counter trend line and break of level. That's what you are seeing here. And if price breaks these 2 levels, yes, I am ready for a buy. So that is the analysis on US30. So now let's go to the next pair that I have for you guys, which is Ger30. Okay, let's look at S&P500. Let's see what's happening on S&P 500. Let's see what's is happening on S&P 500. So now we can clearly see S&P 500 actually behaves similar. There are 3 brothers. They behave almost the same way. If you go to S&P 500, I'm not really going to dive into much details on S&P 500 because this is not the pair I want to share with you guys. I want to share Ger30 with you guys because that's the pair I'm looking at right now. Okay, we can see that price created higher high, higher low, higher high, and price is inside of here. So we're still bullish on S&P 500, and I've already applied my counter trend line. And okay, let me apply my if price will break above this structure, then yes, I am ready for a sell. If price will break above this structure, yes, I am ready for if price will break above this structure, yes, I'm ready for a buy. Guys, forgive me that I'm making this. I'm not really elaborating on the analysis. I'm trying to make this video short. I don't want it to be too long, so that you guys I just want to go straight to the point so that you guys will know what we are looking for the new week. Right. So now let's dive into Ger30. Let's see what is happening on Ger30, which is like one of all, apart from US30 that I'm looking at, I'm also looking at Ger30 because Ger30 is also quite looking very juicy right now. So now you can see that on Ger30 throughout last year we were inside of this consolidation. This is on the daily time frame. Price was consolidating on Ger30. We can see that price was consolidating, moving sideways throughout last year. Yes, you heard it here that price was moving, consolidating throughout last year, and then price broke during December. Price broke around December. Okay, price broke January, 2nd of January. You can see it down here. Price broke 2nd of January, and yes, I could not enter the trade around it. So I was waiting for price to come back and retest this level structure, and right now we are seeing that price is at this level structure. So now the only thing we are looking for right now is price to break. The only thing I'm waiting for right now is for price to break my counter trend line. You can see here clearly that I've already applied my counter trend line, and I'm waiting patiently because price is already sitting at a key level. Right, price is already sitting at the key level around here. So now I'm waiting for price to break my counter trend line, and price has not yet given me a structure to break right now. So I'll be very patient, and I'll be waiting for price to break. Above that level. So now you heard it here first on Good Life TV. You heard it here first on my channel that price is going to be bullish on Ger30 and US30 and also S&P 500. So now those are the 3 pairs I have for you guys today. And I want you to dissect this analysis, watch this analysis, and also do me a great favor by subscribing to the channel, click on the bell notification icon, and also that anytime I drop a video that YouTube will notify you, and also giving my videos a thumbs up, guys. So now it's your boy Good Life. You heard it here first, and the only thing I want you guys to do for me right now is just dissect this, watch this, and then learn from it, because that's really, I just want you to dissect it, watch it, and then learn from it. So it's your boy Good Life, or you can call me David B. Peace out and ciao ciao, guys. So have a good time, and guys, the new week is beginning. The new week has already begun, so the only thing I want you to do is just have a good trading week, and also trade wisely, and also use good risk to reward, and also manage your risks, so that anytime you take some losses and anytime you take some good trades, your good trades will be able to override your losses. So now you heard it here first on this channel that US30 is going to buy. We're just waiting for US30 to break our above our counter trend line and break our structure. You heard it here first on S&P500 too. We're looking for buys. German 32, we're looking for buys, and it's as simple as it could be. No complications, no using of indicators or bots. We are just making it very simple.